If you're looking to compress or reduce the size of an image without loss in quality, here's an easy way that you can do it. Hi, my name is David from freelancerinsights.com, where we believe you should never stop learning. In this video, I'm going to show you how I compressed these two images, and the first image is about 1.3 MB and the second image is about 4.2 MB. And the reason why you may want to compress or reduce the size of an image is if you want to save it on your computer and want to save on space, or if you're going to be hosting the photos on your website and you want to reduce the size of the image so that you can make your pages and your website load faster. So for this, we're going to use a website called TinyPng, and for the first photo, it's a photo I created using Canva. The automatically translates subtitles and closed captions. So basically it's about 1.3, and if I right click on it, let me just double click on it. This is how the photo looks like, and I can just check out the properties, and it's about 1.3 MB. So basically I'll just minimize this, close this. And TinyPng is a website that you can use to compress your PNG files and JPEG image files, and the maximum size that you can upload is 5 MB for each image, and at any one go you can do up to 20 images, and I believe this is for the free version. I don't see the need to buy unless you're doing a lot of files and need to remove the 5 MB size limit. So this is for the free version. So what I'll do, I'll just drag this image, and once I drag it, it's going to automatically upload and be compressed. So TinyPng is compressing the image for me, and if you look at the result we have is that we have a 1.4 MB image file, and the final output is 324.6 KB. So it's a 76% reduction in the size of the image. You have the option to save to Dropbox, or you can just download all. That is if you had up to 20 images, but I'll just click on download so that we can see if there's any difference. This is the original image. If I minimize this, and if I click on the new image, that's the new image. So if I look at the original, that's the original. This is the original, and this is the compressed. There is pretty basically no difference. Just you'll just see some slight darkening from this, but really not that noticeable. But it's an easy way to compress your images. And if we check out the next picture, it's just a guy holding a camera, and this photo is about 4 MB. Let's scroll down. Yeah, it's 4 MB, and I got this photo from Pexels by an artist called Rocha. So basically what we're going to do, we're just going to repeat the same process. I'll just drag and drop my this JPG image file in here, and it's going to upload and compress the image file using TinyPng, as we've seen in the previous in the last few seconds. So basically what we want to see is by how much? By 66%. So from 4.3 MB to 1.5 MB. And you can keep doing this for the same image, although there'll be significant loss as you keep on trying to reduce and readjust and compress the image size down. So basically if I download it, it's downloaded and just went straight on opening up. And if you look at these, you can notice the one here. If you look at that image and you look at the original, and I can try to do a side-by-side comparison of that. So I think I should just bring this on the other side. Basically this is the original, this is the compressed image. I don't think there is any significant difference that I can see. There is basically no significant difference from that compression. So basically that's how you can easily compress or reduce the size of an image file without losing quality using TinyPng. and I hope somebody has learned something from this video. You can use it to compress files that you want to save on your computer, or if you want to compress or reduce the size of image files that you upload to your website to make your website load faster. Thank you so much for watching this video, and until next time, never stop planning and hit the subscribe button if you want more content like this. Thank you and have a good time.